When creating projects in 3D CAD systems, it is worth regularly save the progress of the work. And to save the project in Fusion 360, first create a folder in which we will save this file. Click this icon. Then go to the main folder. And here click the New Project button. Specify the name of this project. And click Enter. And this folder has been created. Now double-click the left mouse button to go to this folder. And at this point it is an active folder in which we can save projects. And to save this project in this folder, click the Save icon. Enter the name of this project. I will enter P1. And as a location where this file will be saved, the project we just created has been selected. But you can also change the location where this file will be saved. To do this, click this button. Here we have a list of projects and you can choose the project in which you will save this file. Or you can create a new project. Or in this project you can create a new folder. I'll just save this file in this project. Click Save. And this file is already saved. And now if you make any changes in this project and you want to save these changes, just click the Save icon and the changes made will be saved. And that's where we'll end, and the link to all available lessons is in the description of this video.